Looking for the ultimate student living experience in Nottingham? Welcome to the Rise Nottingham, your gateway to a vibrant, dynamic, and comfortable university life. The Rise offers an array of stylish studios, each equipped with high-quality furnishings and essential appliances to ensure a hassle-free living experience. Choose from deluxe, premium, or classic studios, each furnished with a comfy bed, spacious wardrobe, and a kitchenette, everything you could possibly need. Plus, the top-notch amenities include a cinema room, games area, and a cozy communal lounge perfect for hanging out or study groups. With 24/7 on-site staff and secure key card access, your safety is prioritized. The Rise is within easy reach of top universities like Nottingham Trent University and the University of Nottingham. On weekends, enjoy a sundowner with pals at Bell Inn or satisfy your caffeine cravings at Specialty Coffee and Eatery. And when it comes to getting around, convenient bus stops and the Nottingham railway station nearby make exploring the city or heading home for the weekend a breeze. So why wait? Book your spot on amberstudent.com today and make the most of your student life in this amazing city.